There used to be a lot of space in this engine bay, but not anymore. So yeah, this is how you mock it up. Squeeze your head inside there, not much space, although my head is not small, and mock it up. Now what I use is masking tape to hold 2-3 pieces together. It can hold pretty much a lot of weight on it, so it's very handy. And now we have to go on and spot weld it just in 3 pots, like 1 pot here, 1 spot here, another couple around, just to hold everything in place. Build the rest of the exhaust, which is gonna be obviously on this side, and then once it's all mocked up, weld it up. Oh. This is no need of any filler, we're just gonna tack it so it doesn't fill off when you're gonna build the rest of the exhaust. Peel off. It's cold, so the tape doesn't like to come off so easily. But there you go. Way too much gas. Two. And 3. Same on this one. Ooh, see, it's cold. Got a gap there, so I have to use a filler. Nice and strong. Now let's go and build the rest of it. Downpipe is in. There is enough space between the radiator and the downpipe as well. Plenty of space around it to put the heat drop. And we're gonna have to work our way down there, pretty much here, to do this exhaust. So let's crack on. And grab a light. There you go. So this is, however, how it looks like from behind. And under the car, subframe, radiator, suspensions, massive tires. There you go. So this is our exhaust, with the downpipe, and we have to, let me just grab the light and the camera at the same time. We have to come from here, go around and fit the silencer on the chassis here. So I think I'm gonna fit the silencer here, and we have to move it around because it used to be from there around on an exit on this way. Now it's gonna be the other way around, so we'll probably have to clean it first, chop it in pieces. This is the one in the middle of my scrap. Let's put it up here. So you see how it goes. Downpipe was from there and used to go this way and down from the right side of the car, and now it has to be the other way around. But if I put it the other way around, I'm okay with the mounts because I can work something with them. Obviously the tailpipe we're facing up and we're in it down. But all I can do, I can just, you know, chop it here just after the weld a little bit, not all the way through, turn it around wherever we have to, and then put it down. Oh, there's a bit of damage here, no matter. It's good silencer. Probably gonna keep this section here because it's probably gonna match, and is probably gonna be kind of facing that way, and that's exactly what we want, because we want to face into the downpipe and just insert a piece of flexi, which I should have somewhere. Oh, there it is. There you go. That will fit in there. So how long it is? This shouldn't take long then, because obviously this is not the whole new exhaust. We just have to adapt what we have to what we used to have. This is all 3/16 3-inch stainless, so it's all good. Why should we waste it and build it from scratch when this is, once you build it from 3/16 stainless, it will stay there forever. Years and years, 100 years. If you don't damage it, it will never corrode through, it will never rust, so it will be eternal. Plus, when you put V-butt clamps, these ones here, they don't need any gaskets, so it doesn't need any service or anything. And again, if you don't break it, it will never break. That's why I use 3/16 on exhaust systems. There you go. Must be. There you go. Pretty much like new. Sure, you can go further and polish it up, but we really don't need it. We'll be just wasting time. roughly. This is facing now, this is facing up, neither facing down. Just like that. Gonna fix this after, find the right angle, because it will be in the car. Like that. But once we got this fixed in the chassis, I can find the final position of this, but so far it's working very good. Everything is spot on. Now let's find the mounts for this. The silencer is actually mounted under the light, just on the bumper. Nice and neat. And now we have to join this section here from the V-bump to the, and I think this crop. I think this is what we have. I'm just gonna chop it because it doesn't match at all. It's completely out of the way. I'm just gonna cut it there on the end of it and make a new section completely. Yeah, silencer is in. It's quite far away from the radiator, so no heat is gonna be transmitted to the radiator. Plenty of space everywhere. As much hiding before behind the bumper as possible. Should be good. two pieces. We got one angle here, one here, and they're supposed to match together. Obviously, I've checked this before, not gonna lie, but this is how you work it out. This goes here. Oh, sorry, this way. And then this one, you have to kind of work it out the angles. And once you put it on, it has to be spot on everywhere. So when you weld it, there's no gaps, no pulling and anything. There you go. That's how it looks like. The problem is now I got my hands in busy, so we have to remove this bit. Okay, they use the MIG welder, do one spot here, one spot on the other side, insert this one, another MIG, two spots, remove everything and take it up. Beautiful. come off from this side? Probably not. Probably not. Do some welding time.